Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can download Google Meet on laptop Windows 11, and it will be a quick step-by-step video for you guys. So you just need to go over here to the Google Meet website. Once you come over here, you just need to go to the setting, and here you can see we have the option for cast, save and share. So you just need to go over here. Once you come over here, then eventually you will find out the options called install Google Meet in your computer or laptop. You just need to click over here and you can easily install it in your desktop. Just click over here. Once you click over here, then easily it will be enabled here. So this way you can use Google Meet on your laptop. This is the easiest way. I hope you understand how easy the process was. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel. And don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic. But even if you have any question related to this video, ask me on the comment box. I am happy to assist you. Thank you guys for watching this video.